In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and reinstalling your vehicle's radiator. In this step, we're going to talk about the tools and supplies necessary in order to remove and reinstall your vehicle's radiator. What I have here in front of me, first and foremost, is a standard and metric half-inch, 3/8, and quarter-inch drive socket set. You're going to want to make sure to have a quarter-inch driver and small sockets for the tight places you're going to need to fit into. I also have a pair of channel locks. This is for removal of permanent tension spring-loaded hose clamps. I, of course, have some coolant in case we need to top off our radiator after service. A funnel, try and stay as environmentally friendly as possible, keep spillage to a minimum, and a magnetic tray. We're going to put all of our fasteners off that we remove so we don't lose them to reinstall. And what I have here are some swivel sockets. As you can see here, this is a 3/8. You may need to use one, both, or a combination of them. You can see the angles you get out of these swivel sockets. They allow you to turn your sockets at greater than a 90 degree. I got a quarter-inch swivel socket as well. This will greatly reduce the stress and trouble in switching your radiator. I also have a drain bucket. We're going to use this to capture the coolant from our drain cock instead of just letting it spill all over the place. We're going to drain the radiator prior to removing it. These are the tools and supplies necessary in order to remove and replace your radiator.